My adventure began under rainy conditions. I left Miami around 5 p.m. on a Thursday, so there was quite a bit of traffic. I was soon met with a beautiful and dry sunset. I arrived at my first stop, the Daytona 200 Motorcycle Club campground. I'd have to set up my tent in the dark, but didn't have much trouble. I immediately saw how cool of a community this spot had. It was the first day of Biketoberfest, Daytona Bike Week's less popular event, and there was a ton to do and see. I quickly regretted only reserving one night, but I did have a lot of ground to cover in the next few days. I woke up the next day and made myself coffee and enjoyed the homemade pancakes they offered. I met some fellow Brazilian riders and had some chimarrão, which was great for waking me up. After packing up, I headed over to the Triumph demo, where I was able to ride a bike that I've been meaning to try for a while, a beautiful military green Triumph Scrambler 1200. It was a sweet bike, plenty of power, and a comfortable position. The only thing that sucked was zero wind protection. I guess the GS has spoiled me in that regard. I'd be on my way to my next destination, Charleston, South Carolina. I definitely felt some FOMO as I rode by all the parties and amusing culture of Daytona. Note to self, come back for either Bike Week or Biketoberfest and spend at least 2 nights there. I pulled up to Charleston and set up my tent. As you can see, the sunlight was quickly evading me as I set up. I found a Brazilian restaurant not too far from my campsite. They had all-you-could-eat pizza, which was good because I was hungry. The next day, I noticed my eye was inflamed. It felt like a sty. This would be an enduring ailment to accompany me along the trip, eventually resulting in an ER visit, but more on that later. To mitigate my eye infection, I decided to get a room at a motel, thinking a warm shower and a nice bed would help with my eye. I found a room in Easley, South Carolina for $77. It would, however, turn out to be the absolute worst lodging of my life. I wouldn't mind if it were a $30 room, but having paid nearly $100, I was pretty upset, but whatever. More to come in part 2. Thanks for watching.